Medyo nakasar ako nung first quarter. We had a very slow start. And para unahan kami ng 10 points, 12 points. Medyo it's not my ideal first quarter. Put it that way. So at halftime, medyo nagalit ako sa kanila because of how they started. And I think we did well in the third quarter and the fourth quarter. I'd say my second group won it for us, I think.
Coach, you think this is sending a message to the rest of the league?
Well, in a way, yes. In a way, yes. But I'm not worried about them. I'm worried about us.
Right.
About how we start, about how we finish, about our execution. And I think that's the only way we can give my new guys experience in following instructions on the dot.
Jorge Armida has been excellent for you in these past two games. This is a form that he did not show.
Yeah, he bounced back. He had a lousy first quarter. I told him that during halftime, and he came back. Maganda ang character ng bata. And he responds very well, and he got to play best player yata ngayon.
Yes,
yeah. So good for him.
What about Sudan, coach? He had 18 points and 18 rebounds.
Yeah, that's Sudan for you. If he doesn't play soft, he plays hard all the time. He goes in and out of the court. I think he'll be good. Marami lang nag-iisip na, Sudan is soft, Sudan is like this, Sudan is like that, but, he's a very nice guy who follows instructions, and the guy just wants to win.
Who's your next game, coach? Mapua.
Play Mapua.
Yeah.
Now, we cannot start this way. That's for one, that's for sure. And my last, in my three practices on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, they have to realize they have to start strong. They can't fool around with Mapua.
Yeah.
Mapua is capable of beating big teams. And they should know that. They should be aware of that.
Any more? Yeah. All right. Congrats, coach. Good
Salamat.
game.